Hello friends, welcome to Core Infotech Training Center Singapore. I'm Raj here and we are going to talk about SEO course and what do we cover in our SEO course. Now our SEO course is very exciting. I promise you'll be having fun and you will be wowed by the course content. SEO is a big term and everywhere you hear SEO nowadays. People are crazy about it. People are paying thousands of dollars a month to achieve their SEO. And what all this means is that you will actually bring your website to page 1 of Google. When people search for a given service, your website actually shows at number 1. Now, businesses are actually paying thousands of dollars per month to show Google ads to customers who are searching for given services. That's because their website doesn't show on page 1, page 2 of Google, and there is no way for them to drive those customers to their website. So they actually pay for ads like Facebook ads, like Google ads, and then take customers from there to their website. But when you have a good SEO done on your website, then what happens is that you organically appear on the first or second page of the search engine, and now customers click on your website and you pay nothing, absolutely $0 to the search engine giants, and you get this customer on your website. So in our SEO course, we start with looking at the most important factors of SEO, like keywords, key phrases, how to choose them, what are the defining factors for you to get SEO. We also look at understanding other factors like page rank, site links, on-site SEO, off-site SEO, what all this means. So there's a ton of terminology for a new guy to understand. And once you understand all this terminology, then we go through steps one by one and dive into more details on how do you achieve SEO for your website. Now there are many things to look at. For example, factors that will affect the SEO on your website. What are the things that you should do? What are the things you should not do? So we cover all of these step by step to see how will you arrive at a website that is likable by the search engines. And because it's likable, the search engines rank them high when people search for your product or service or your business domain. Now it also talks about people shouldn't search Core Infotech and then see Core Infotech website. Now that's kind of silly. That's not SEO. So people should search, for example, we do training courses. So when you search for a given training course, for example, SEO course, MailChimp course, email marketing course, Facebook marketing course, or many of our technical courses, Linux course, Java course. So you can see that if you go and Google for Java course Singapore or Linux course Singapore, our website www.coreinfotech.com will show up on page 1 because we have done SEO for those courses. And you'll notice that if you type other things like SEO course or web design course, then our website doesn't show on page 1, it shows on page 3 or 4, and that's because we have not done so much of SEO for those courses for a reason. But that is what it means. So people search for your services and your website shows up on page 1, page 2 of Google, and that is called SEO. Now, once we have looked at those basics, we actually dive in deep to look at what are site link maps, how do you create them, what is robots file, how do you actually configure or create a robots file. So once you understand the technical meaning of each of these, the next step is how do you go and implement this. So we cover all of this in a non-technical manner so that a non-technical person, a layman, can actually understand this and also perform these on your website. Then we actually look at the whole SEO process. So there are a lot of steps to look at. And once you understand the process and the sequence in which you go through these steps, you'll automatically start achieving results for your website. Then we look at other things like what should be your website design? How does your web design aid or hurt your SEO process? We also look at how do you analyze your existing website to find what are the improvements as per getting good SEO. Now, while we are doing all this content analysis on our website or your website, we are actually using many tools. Now, there are paid tools for SEO and then there are free tools, and the free tools are not very well known. Many people don't know about them. Those who know don't want to share those, don't want to talk about them. So we'll actually show you a lot of free tools you can use to perform search engine optimization, measurement, and implement the techniques to improve the SEO of your website. So there is another term that actually comes up, SEM. So people get confused, what is SEO and what is SEM? So SEM stands for search engine marketing, whereas SEO stands for search engine optimization. So we'll cover those differences. So we'll actually remove every confusion that you may have on this topic. And the trainer is someone who has actually worked on SEO for more than 7-8 years and has very good experience. And he'll show you live examples in class, results that he has achieved, mistakes that he has done, so that you get a full-blown view of the entire process and are able to replicate this for your business, your website, and that will save you thousands of dollars in monthly fees that you end up paying to other service providers, which make you sign contracts for 1 year, 2 year. The SEO fees in Singapore is as high as 1,500 per month. There are many who are doing it at 199, 299 per month, and believe me, that SEO doesn't work. It hurts you more than it actually works. So this course is very comprehensive. It's 2 days. It covers all of this. And the best part is we used to run this course at $499, and we have reduced the price now to $350. So $350 will be deducted from your Skillsfuture account, and what you pay in cash will be $35. So you just learn this powerful course for $35 in cash payment only, and this is an amazing chance for you to learn SEO. Once you have learned the different techniques, we actually teach you how to measure each and every step that you have implemented on your SEO, and once you measure, you improve from there. And we also do something very interesting here. We actually help you design your SEO strategy, because your SEO strategy will change for the business type that you are. So if you are doing pest control business compared to somebody who's actually selling spare parts for motorbike, or compared to somebody like a training center, your SEO strategy will change. So in the second half of the day, when you've learned everything, we actually work with you one-to-one and help you design your SEO strategy for your business, so that when you go back, you're completely ready. We even provide you a checklist at the end of the course, which tells you step by step, point by point. So you have, okay, I've done this tick, I've done this tick. So we give you all the tools that you need. The tools that we teach you in the course are free. So we basically empower you with everything that you need to perform SEO on your website. So welcome in. You can look at the next schedule for this course on our website, coreinfotech.com, and also remember, you'll just pay $35 for this course. So I have purposely kept the best part for the last. Now the guy who will actually teach you SEO has done the SEO for Core Infotech. So we do our SEO in-house. We create our Google pay-per-click campaigns in-house, and we have live results that we can show. So it's not someone who's teaching you theoretical knowledge. We actually open up Core Infotech accounts. We show you, like in Google PPC course, we show you we only pay $1 per click or even lower. So it's fun to learn with somebody who can show you real results and then teach you techniques that you can replicate those results yourself. So we'll see you there.